हाँ बोल दो.
Yes, yes, Prashun, you are visible.
So, okay, for the day, the topic is tactical. So I hope you remember. I hope सबने देखा होगा tactical with ball, and there is something known as tactical without ball. Any idea when do we have a ball? What is that moment known as? Like the whenever we have a ball, that is tactical with ball means tactical. What tactics will you use when you don't have actually ball? Okay, so when you don't have the ball, what will you do? So basically, let me introduce what is that moment known as. So any idea, guys? What is that moment known as when we have a ball? I'm just asking you the questions because I wanted to know my crowd, my the things which are like we are learning right now. I wanted to know what level are we right now? Like, are we? Do we know what is that moment known as or something as such? I just wanted to see that, guys. Are you guys listening me?
Yes, sir.
I cannot get the question. Okay, so the question is, listen. The question is very simple. What is the moment known as when we have a ball? We have four types of movement in the game. So what is that movement known as when we have the ball? Simple logic. Nishad says attacking. Okay. Nishad says attacking. Anyone else want to try, or else I'll move on. Okay, no problem. I don't feel there is an
एक
answer.
पाठवली.
So
एक
let me.
पाठवली.
Whenever you have a ball, that means your team is attacking. Even if your goalkeeper has a ball, so it's good to attack. Okay. So the moment where you have the ball is known as attacking. Simple enough. That is why the session today is known as tactical with ball. So that means what are we supposed to do and what things can be done when we have the ball. Okay. So I have just made few like there are many options. There are many positional plays you can do. I have just mentioned three right now. So those are the basic ones. So with the help of that, you can just आप उससे अपना tactics या फिर whatever you guys want to make, you can make it. Okay. So I had just made three for the example for the day. So I hope everyone is aware of overlapping. What is overlapping and what is underlapping? I hope everyone is aware of it. If you know, give me a thumbs up. You know what is overlapping and what is underlapping? If you know, give me a thumbs up. So Nishad ने thumbs up दिया है. I got only two thumbs up. That means none of you guys know, like many of you guys. Okay, Gagan doesn't know about it. Who is iPhone, by the way? I don't know you. Sorry. Keep your name or try to just tell me your name on the chat box. Okay, everyone. Okay, there are many guys who don't know what is overlap. Okay, overlap. I'm just going to explain it on my pad once. So we are not going to discuss everything on the pad, but yeah, just to tell you guys what is overlapping, we are going to do it right away. Let me know whenever when Sanya, please let me know जब pad दिखेगा तो if it is visible to everyone. Okay.
Yeah.
Okay. Is it visible to everyone?
Yes, yes.
Thank you so very much. So overlapping is nothing but a very simple thing. You see this player is having a ball. Okay, so we can call it a left back. For you guys it would be a right back. Okay, so this is a left back player, this is a right back player playing with the two wings. Okay, normally what they have to do is they put the ball to them. Okay, all they do is they go over them, so we call it overlapping them. Simple enough. So whenever you pass the ball, okay, so you pass the ball to them, make an overlap run, means you are going over them, you're creating space over here, attacking half, we call it attacking third, or we call it one more with the name, I'll disclose it in the last part. So So far so good. Logic is very simple. You pass the ball to the wing player or maybe a midfielder of right or left. You make run over them. Okay, आपने उसके side से run build up किया. All he can do is put the same ball over here, can come here for a ball or lay off over here and can take a shot inside. This can happen same with this side as well. All you have to do is just put the ball to the winger or something or midfielder on your right. All you have to do is an overlapping run from here, and then yeah, a ball can be done that way. This is basically used to, you know, overlapping is used basically maximum time is to overload the attackers. Okay, simple enough. Overload मतलब बहुत सारे attackers उनके ऊपर डालने के लिए. Let's say you are playing with 3 strikers or maybe 2 strikers. Okay, so your right back or left back moves up overlapping to overload that attacking third. यहाँ पे ज्यादा players लाएंगे तभी ज्यादा chances होंगे गोल मारने के. Simple enough. इतना समझा? If you still have any doubts, please let me know. You are open to ask me, guys. If you don't know, still don't know what is overlap, I'm ready to explain you it. Anyone? Okay, Gagan says clear. Video नहीं दिख रहा है. Wait a minute. Sania, am I visible to everyone? Am I visible to you?
Yeah, you are.
Okay, no problem. So far so good with this much at least. So we know what is this overlapping is. So the first thing which we're going to learn today, clear now overlapping. Thank you guys. So there are going to be 3 things. We are working with the box. There are 4 players. Remember, we are going to work with 2 box tactics, 1 diamond tactic. Okay, I have not mentioned see, being honest, why did I मैं आपको एक इसके ऊपर assignment भी देने वाला हूँ, where you have to make your own formation and tell me how it is going to work in attacking. And tomorrow we are going to work on more of tomorrow we are going to work more of defending. Okay, so far so good. So we are done with we are done with the basics right now. So this was the basics for everyone. So Sanya, can we move on to the main part, please? So guys, remember one thing. There is one thing every time happening randomly in the game, like not randomly, every moment happening in the game, that is switching from the side. Because आप 11v11 में, that is a traditional football, आप switch ज़्यादा नहीं करते हो. Just because if you switch your place, there is a hole in your place. मतलब आप जैसे switch करने जा रहे हो, आपकी जगह खाली हो जाती है. So you don't usually do that, okay? But over here, the ground is very small, so switching is very fast. So the maximum times you move, there will be a maximum switching happening around. So far so good. So we are going to move on to the first one. Okay, so these are the notations, guys. Notations. Wait. Stay here. Sanya, stay here. Okay. So these are the notations. Notation मतलब इस sign का मतलब क्या? So if there is a sign of this straight arrow, that is basically a player passing. Clear? Now second is dot arrow, that is running. Player is running. Simple. And whenever there is a line and a cross, that means running with the ball. A player is running with the ball to that place. Okay, sounds great. These are the notations. इतनी ही चीजों पे we are going to discuss the whole thing today. Okay, can we move on to the next slide, please, Sanya? So we are moving. We are doing overlapping movements and switching in boxes in box shape as I discussed with you guys. So we are going to work on overlapping movements, switching in box shape. Move on to the next one, please. Okay, so this is the formations we are working with. There is a there is a jersey number 10, jersey number 7. उनके ऊपर number 2, number 16. Okay, do not go on the numbers. They are just a player. Okay, so number 10, हर एक का position याद रखना. This is going to be a bit tricky. So we have to be tracking them. What is happening with the numbers? Okay, let's go to the next one. Number 10, number 7, number 2, number 15. Okay, so let's see. That's it, guys. See, number 2 has a ball. If you see, number 2 has a ball with him. He plays it to number 10. Okay, he plays it to number 10. That's a direct. If you see, there is a direct arrow. There's a direct arrow. Okay, he plays it to number 10. As soon as he plays it to number 10, he makes an overlap run. If you remember, I just taught you guys. What is happening is this. Okay, this player plays it to. Okay, sounds good. It is visible. Nothing is happening. Ye player इधर पास कर रहा है, making an overlap run over here. जब ये यहाँ पे आ रहा है, if you see this place is empty right now. So who is the closest player can go there without ball? Is this player. Now this guy, जिसकी ये जगह थी, he will switch on to this side. So if you see, switching is happening every time. Now there is a switch happen. अभी देखा एक switching हुआ where can we go to the next one? That's it. So if you see the numbers, that's okay. So if you see, the players have shifted themselves now. It's the same slide. This is the same slide as far as I know. Okay, that's it. That's it. So now if you see, number 2 has passed it to number 10. You know, again made an overlap run. Sorry, number 7 has made it to number 7. Oh, what is wrong with that? Directions change हो रही है players की. Yes, perfect. So if you have understood over here, it's simple enough. So number 2, oh sorry, where is number 7? Yeah, this player plays it to here, makes an overlap run. Okay, as soon as he makes an overlap run over here, this guy down. This is how it's going to happen. Okay, and once you are done with this, the logic is very simple. Over here the ball is with you, a straight pass, or maybe जैसे इसने overlap किया, overlap करने के बाद एक ball इधर, all he has to do is run into this part, whereas he is running cross, a ball there and can be a goal. So that is how I have made it my mind. Like, how will I be attacking in a box strike movement? Okay, so more of overlapping and switching places every time. Okay, can we move on to the next one, please? That's it. Come back again to that one. Okay, guys, if you see, there is a number 7. Okay, number 7 का पहला position था number 2 के पास, मतलब wherever the number 2 is standing, he has overlapped them like this. Ball to number 10, overlapped him. Okay, as soon as he overlapped, he dropped down, he came here, got the ball. All he is doing, if there is a space over here, there is no defender. If you see, guys, number 5 is in between of both the defenders right now, just because the defender gets confused as you move on very faster. Okay, so there is no defender over there, so number 7 tries to move up, whereas number 16 is now moving up. If you see, slightly moving up, and then there would be a chance of crossing and finishing in the goal. Sounds good? Any questions in this? Please ask me. Because we have 2 more. Like the problem is not that. Just ask me more. If you want to get into this more detailing. Any questions, guys? Thank you. Okay. Thanks. That's it. Can we move on to the next one, please? Next slide.
Yes, sure.
Next slide. Guys, remember, इसमें ना बहुत ज़्यादा switching है. Switching is more and more because you're playing a very short game, right? So as I said, remember, हमने इसको receiving में भी बात की थी. As we are playing very short, मतलब very less distance game, so we have tried to keep it within your legs. So fast movements के लिए, all you have to do is try to stop the ball with this part. What do we call it? We stop the ball with the sole part and all those things. I got a question from Gagan. Wait. Okay, Gagan asked me, what if number 10 gets defeated? Okay, Gagan, that is a moment where we will come back to gaining the ball. That is a transition to defense movement. Okay, so we just had a ball there, and then what are we supposed to do after that is what is we're going to learn tomorrow. But today, the main focus is when we have the ball, what are we supposed to do? Like, how are the players supposed to move? Okay, they do they do overlapping, right? Till now we have learned overlapping and how do the players switch from their positions where they were before. Sounds great. Gagan, got your answer? Yes, that's it. So now adjacent switching in box shape. I hope what everyone knows what is adjacent movement. Okay. Any idea? Like, if everyone is clear with what is adjacent movement, give me a thumbs up. So I'll get to know that you guys know what is adjacent movement. I know few of you guys know very well, but just in case if someone doesn't know, then I don't want to become someone who does. मतलब बिना कुछ समझा रहे तेरे को ये नहीं आता, that is wrong. Okay, so that's it. Adjacent movement. So someone has said no, they don't know that. No problem. adjacent movement is nothing, but you see this player dropping down. This is adjacent. Okay, so we can call it opposite parallel. Parallel would be this one, but adjacent is the cross one. So this player will be the adjacent opposite to it. Adjacent होगा इसका. Simple. Cross. इसका adjacent ये है, इसका adjacent ये, इसका adjacent ये, ऐसा cross. That's it. Clear? Adjacent मतलब समझा रहे? That's it. So yeah, again we are working with the box shape as we discussed. उसमें लिखा था. So we are working with the box shape adjacent movement. Next, please, Sanjay. So again, if you see, guys, the game is starting from number 10 over here. Okay, number 10 has got a ball. There's a player behind him. What does he do is, there is number 2 dropping down in the center. Okay, dropping down in the center. And then next side, please. Okay, number 2 has just dropped down. He pulls the ball to him. Now, if you see, there is which space right now? This space. Again, if you remember the switching part, who is most closest, more close to this space is this guy. So as soon as the ball is to him, this guy moves up. So if they see, number 7 is moving up. If you see in the diagram right now, the number 7 is moving up. Okay, and number 10 is releasing the ball to number 2. Okay, please go next. That's it. So number 2 has got a ball, and now if you see, number 7 and number 16 are there together. Now, which is the most empty places? This place. Okay, so number 10 is moving to that place. Now number 2 is in a problem. If you guys see, there is number 5 behind him. Okay, number 5 behind him. That defender is behind him. What do you think he can do right now? Any idea? Just let me know in the comment box, please. I am waiting. Any idea what number 2 can do right now? If you see, number 10 is also moving that way, like वो एक side पे जा रहा है. So number 2, what can he do right now? Okay, go to number 10, please. Shield the ball. He will try to dribble and then pass to number 10 and try to turn with the ball. Okay, shield and try to turn with the ball. Okay. Guys, if we see, this place is going to get covered by number 10. Okay. Number 10 is going to this place. Now, if you see, can we move on to the next slide, please? That's good. Now, if you see, there is already number 10 has moved. Okay. Now, I want this place. This एक minute. This place is empty. What he can do is he can dribble the ball till that place जहाँ पे number 10 already पहले था, or he can do is shield him and turn him around and watch number 7 and 16. That's the thing. But उसके पास chance नहीं है, so I would probably ask him to come back to number 10's place. And then again, if he comes there, then again number 7 needs to come back, drop down in the center. He will play the ball to him. Number 10 moves up. That movement will keep on happening. For that, you need to train yourself in that manner. Yes, we are trained कि जब भी कोई एक जगह खाली दिखेगी, we are supposed to move to that place. Remember that. So far so clear, everyone. So far so clear. Give me a thumbs up, guys. आज किसी की शक्लें भी नहीं दिख रही मुझे. Okay, sounds great. So that's it. So next, please. Next slide. मतलब इसके बाद क्या था? Okay. So we have next thing, please. Get to the next one. Overlapping movement and switching in diamond position. So if you guys remember, मैंने पहले बोला box movement होंगे. Box movement में we just discussed how a box movement works. Box system works. Box में you have to keep on overlapping yourself. If you pass the ball, overlap, faster movement. Okay. Now, what would be the next one? The next would be whenever you start from the goalkeeper. Okay. So the moment you start from the goalkeeper, it is more over like this. Can be seen properly? Tanya, can you see this?
Yes, yes.
Thank you. Thank you. So if you see this right now, this is how the positions are going to be. Tanya, please move on to the next one. Okay. So again, if you see, there is an overlapping happening. So overlap, यहाँ movement पे हर बार होगा, हर बार. You can't just go straight running around. I don't want that. So basically, that's it. So if you see, number 7 has just passed the ball to number 16 right now. Okay. Number 16 को pass करने के बाद he has made an overlap run. He passed the ball to him. He has got which place? Now this place. Moves over this place. Okay. Now what can be done, right? What can be done is number 10 moves here, he moves there, and then again this guy can take this place. That is how you can do switching maximum times. So if you are training yourself, ये switch ऐसे होना चाहिए. But if you are going to attack movement, okay, attacking मतलब आपको goal मारना है अभी. So we are right now focusing on to how to score a goal right now. So you want maximum players over here. Okay. Can we move to the next one, please? Yeah. Now, if you see, this is something like this. Okay. Where there is a player on the number 10 is over here. Number 2 is over here. Number 7 is over here. Whereas number 16 is over here. Okay. So if you see, number 16 has just played a direct ball to number 16 has just played a direct ball to number 7 over here. Okay. And if you see, number 2 is making a run towards this place. Any idea? Okay. Let me ask you this question now. If you see, number 2 is moving into a space there. Any idea why is he moving into that space, please? Let me know why is he moving into that space. Okay, so I've got many answers right now. Let me show you it. What is happening? Okay, so number 2 is moving to this place. Okay, he's moving to this place just because once he moves there, ये जो number 2 है यहाँ का, वो भी उसके साथ दूर जाएगा. So there will be this place empty. If you go next slide, we are going to move on to the next slide. So you will see why is he moving like this. Okay. Can we move on to the next slide, please? Okay. So now if you see, number 2 has moved to that slide. मतलब number 2 has moved to that place. और दूसरा उसके साथ जो defender था, even he is moving. Okay. So if you see, there is a huge place for number 10 to come in the center, and it can be a layoff in the center, and that can be a shot. But इसमें एक और movement हो रहा है. If you see that is number 16 is dropping in the center. So if what happens is, ये इधर जाने के बाद अगर chance नहीं मिलता है, what number 7 can do is play the same ball back to number 16. Just because number 16 is in a space, you know, आपको space, इसमें आपको length और depth भी मिल जाता है. How many of you are aware what is length of the game and what is width of the game? Just मैं सिर्फ blabber करना नहीं चाहता. I want everyone to know what is those things. Length and width of the game. कहाँ पर करेगा length and width of the game. Okay, no problem. So we expand the space called width. Okay, no problem, guys. No problem. We have activity classes left, so we can discuss there. So right now, the most important part is if you see, number 16 is moving here. and number 10 is moving there. That's it right now. So let's see what is happening right now. उसके बाद क्या होने वाला है, and then we'll get to know. Please go to next slide, please. That's it. Thank you. So you guys remember, right? So number 4 is going to go behind him. Sounds great. अभी number 7 को जैसे ही बॉल मिला, he has 3 chances. He can lay it up to number 10. Lay off मतलब आराम से बॉल दे सकता है number 10 को to take a shot. He can put a cross to number 2, or in very hard chances, what he can do is take a shot in the second pole. Where is he standing? Near right side, or he can do it, take a left side shot. Or the fourth option would be play a straight ball to number 16, where he's maintaining the length of the game. So far so good. Like, is this clear right now? कि ऐसे movement होगा, like this would be the moment where you can score. This would be the tactics how you can score the goal. And over there, if you see, they are also dragging the players. You know, the moment 2 went out. Kagan, I did not explain about length and width. I would be explaining in the activity classes, because we have that classes also left. So we will, you know, that there will also be discussion more and more there. And in those activity classes, I would be showing you what activities can we put to learn this tactics, to learn whatever we have learned till now. Like warm up में भी उसका activity होंगे, हर एक चीज का अलग अलग activity होगा. So we would be doing it there. So we on that day we would be learning about length and width of the game. So far so good, guys. Like, is it clear? Layout का मतलब क्या होता है? Okay, Avnish. Layout मतलब whenever you standing, see, let's say you are number 7 right में खड़ा है, मतलब एकदम बाहर है. Okay, मैं दिखा देता हूँ. नंबर 7 जहाँ पे खड़ा है, वहां से उसको ले ऑफ करना है. ले ऑफ मतलब होता है आप गोल नहीं मार सकते तो किसी और को बॉल दो और वो गोल मारेगा आपके लिए. या फिर एक बोलते हैं ना रन अप, और सामने, मतलब कैसे बताऊं मैं आपको. ओके, अवनीश आपको दिख रहा है नंबर 9 यहाँ पे, ये यहाँ से गोल नहीं मार सकता, राइट. बट ये क्या कर सकता है, यहाँ से धीरे से बॉल छोड़ सकता है नंबर 10 के लिए, और नंबर 10 भाग कर आके शूट मार सकता है. सो ये क्या कर रहा है पता है, ये ले ऑफ कर रहा है प्लेयर को, मतलब ये उसको बॉल बना के दे रहा है. Yeah, it's not layout, it's layoff. That is what I say. So ये उसको layoff बना कर दे रहा है, because ये यहाँ से शॉट गोल नहीं मार पाएगा. तो ये क्या करेगा, यहाँ से स्लो बॉल यहाँ पे देगा, और जो ये भाग कर he can shoot the inside. He can shoot the ball inside the goal. Am I clear? Thank you guys. So I'm going to share this with you guys. Okay. और मैं इसके ऊपर आपको, you know, how can you train these movements, मैं ये भी बताना चाहता था. So you can basically keep 4 markers like this. Okay, let's say we are learning, we are going to, okay, can you please shut this right now, Sania? That's it. Can you make me host, Sania, for a minute?
Yeah.
Thank you. Okay, not this one yet. Okay, is it visible to everyone, right?
Yes.
Okay, so if you see, what I want you guys to, what I want to explain is, जब भी आप इसका drill या फिर इसका एक activity set कर रहे हो ना, तो मुझे ये explain करना था. Okay, by the way guys, any idea drill क्या होता है? I'm damn sure इसमें सब wrong होना है. What is drill? और drill करता कौन है? Quick, what is drill and who does drill? मतलब drill करता कौन है? A practice or tactics to use in a match. Gagan says, activity to do in a match is drill. Any other ideas you want to put? What is drill and who does the drill? मतलब drill करता कौन है और drill होता क्या है? I have got many people here. Like there is Gagan, player does drill. Okay, there is Gagan, there is Shashikant, there is Sagar, uh, there is Abhishek, there is Sania. Sania, when you are a player, right, you should know what is drill. I don't. I think you will take some takeouts from here. Tell me what, like, you can type what is drill according to you. And Shahjahan is there. Many are there. So few of them already written their answers. Let me know what do you mean by drills and drill करता कौन है ये भी बताना मुझे please. Improve as a player we use drill. A player of practice of the play and is done by midfielders and defenders. Practice drill. We have more 30 seconds, guys. I'm waiting for your answers. What do you mean by drill? Improve player movement. Okay. Sania, even you can answer. I'm waiting because you are a player, so I think you should know what are the drills and who does it. Abhishek Telmore can also answer because I have not seen many answers coming from your side as well. Okay, so I think almost everyone has answered. It's to enhance players' performance. Sania says, coach to drills. Okay, guys, do not take me wrong, but I have learned it from like many experiences I've been doing. Drills, basically, Nishad, you used the word activity. Okay, so using a word called activity is the right word. Drills is the wrong word. आपको पता है? Everyone in football industry, you will see many of the coaches using drills word. Drill basically soldiers करते हैं. जो आर्मी होती है ना, आर्मी करता है, you know, उनका एक ड्रिल होता है, वो मार्च पास्ट ड्रिल या वैसा कुछ. So उस ड्रिल को इसलिए बोलते हैं क्योंकि उसको चेंज नहीं किया जा सकता, वो ऐसे ही रहता है. But activities can be changed. Like I am saying, मैं pass and move का कर रहा हूँ, pass and what do we call, pass and move or anything. मैं ऐसी चीज कर रहा हूँ जो चेंज कर सकते हैं. That is basically an activity. That is not a drill. I don't know. मतलब इधर पे जितने भी players होंगे, जैसा कोच बोलता है हमेशा वैसे ही नहीं होता. Okay, but whenever you come with something new, let's say I was practicing. मतलब ये lockdown होने के पहले, my women's team was practicing, or my under 16 team was practicing. We were practicing a movement of crossing and finishing in the goal with headers. Okay, so I have very set principles. मतलब उस चीज के लिए बहुत set principles थे. So I said, okay, we are going to do this, but there has to be a proper manner. Like उसका एक crosses, timing of crosses, timing of timing of header. Everything matters a lot in that time. So मुझे कुछ नया पता चला उस टाइम पे. Activity changes according to situation in the match. It's rare to get same situation again and again. Yes, that is what I am trying to say. तो मैंने उसको बताया ऐसे ही हेड करना है और ऐसे मूवमेंट पे हेड करना है. That is drill. That cannot be changed. But whenever I said the ball comes in this way, then you can do this headers. So you say you can do this headers, and then you can say you can jump and head. So you are changing your things. That is not drill, guys. That is activity. आप अपने चीजों को चेंज करो प्लीज. पहली बात तो इस चीज को गलत करो, मतलब बंद कर दो कि ड्रिल्स जो होते हैं, there is nothing as drill. You are teaching a player, not a army guy. Okay, so use, or maybe अगर आप खुद सीख रहे हो तो अपने coaches को बोलो, sir, what's the activity we are going to do today? Okay, so you can say that way. Remember that. So you are doing an activity, not a drill. Sorry. So please keep this thing in mind. And drills are usually done by army lads, and not by players. So far so good.
Just to add here, Pratish, हम लोग जो ड्रिल करते हैं जैसा फिटनेस का हुआ, जैसे लैडर के ऊपर हम लोग हाई नी करते हैं, फिर so those are drills. Okay,
right.
We keep on doing those are drills. But whatever you do on the ground, it's not drill.
Right, nah, you can't change into it. Like that is not going to change.
Yeah.
अभी हाई हो सकता है ना. So that is how it is.
Correct. Thank you.
So this is I just wanted to share with you guys. So right now I'm going to tell you an activity of this. Okay. So we are already up with the time. Maybe Sanya, how many time left?
5 minutes more.
Thanks. So basic setup है where you have placed your 4 players. All you have to try to do is मतलब पहले हम movement में मतलब पहले हम करेंगे कि simple activity करने वाला है where we are going to do this. Number 7 number 6 को ball pass करेगा. Okay, and then we'll try to overlap to this place. Simple enough. और जैसे ही वो इधर overlap करेगा आपका हर player फटाफट move होना चाहिए. This is how you're going to practice without defenders. मतलब अगर आपको एक्टिविटी करनी है अपने को या फिर मतलब if so ever you become a coach for any team in this ring football, so this is activity you can do for this setup. मतलब अभी आप खुद का फॉर्मेशन बनाओगे तो उसको आप ट्राई करते रहोगे. ओके, बट उसके बाद आपका प्लेयर क्वालिटी भी मैटर करता है. अगर वो लोग ये चीज नहीं कर पा रहे, you have to see and watch what is wrong happening. Let's say your players are not having a very good first touch. Try to resolve that. If players are not going to have a very मतलब इंडिया टीम प्लेयर नहीं मिलने वाला. You have to think on that. हर बार बोलोगे सर ये चीज सेशन में सिखाऊंगा, no. Think what can be done there. Okay, so far so good. Any questions guys? I hope it was learning. आज काफी learning था just because we are learning tactics. Okay, I did my tactics course from US Soccer Academy. So over there, the tactics means everything. We can use underlap. Yes, Shashikant, we can use underlap upon you. I'm not saying that is wrong, but underlap would be more hard because underlap में एक और player आपके साथ भी आता है. So it is very close time. You are having 4 players together. मतलब मेरे पास ball है, मेरा player तो मेरे साथ है ही. आप overlap करने के लिए, yeah, even that can be done. No, there is nothing wrong. You can use that. Everyone can use that basically. So अब अगर मैं आपको आपका assignment दूंगा तो आप उसमें आप डाल सकते हो आपका underlapping का movement कैसा होगा. No problem. Remember, the assignments are going to be allotted in the like आपका खुद का आपको बनाना होगा. आपने मुझे कल ही बोला आप लोग ने, आपका खुद का knowledge बढ़ेगा. Yes, Sanya, I'm done for the time. So ask them if anything is their question. Then
Yeah, guys, any questions? Okay, seems no questions, Prashul. We can wind up for the day. Thank you.
No problem. Gagan, thank you so much that you messaged me that you got to learn many things about tactics today, which you are not knowing. We are all learning. No problem. Chalo, take care. Bye, guys.